Potato tower gardening, increase output and space. Imagine if you could grow more than 100 pounds of buttery potatoes in a space smaller than your laundry basket. Imagine gathering bucket after bucket of faultless tubers, even if you only have a balcony or a small garden. That's the enchantment of potato tower gardening, and it's rapidly becoming the viral gardening gimmick everyone wants to test. Have you ever tried cultivating potatoes in a tower or a bag? Below, provide your experience. Meet Rachel, a first-time gardener living in a tiny apartment. She had always pondered, how do potatoes grow without a large garden? She decided to try something new after watching videos on how to grow potatoes in a bucket and how to grow potatoes in a container. With old fencing and hay layered with dirt and crossed her fingers, she made a potato tower. Rachel documented herself dismantling the tower during harvest time. Dozens of potatoes tumbled out as she sliced through every stratum. She couldn't believe her eyes. She had produced more food than she ever conceived. Build a potato tower step by step. Here's exactly how to construct your own potato tower if you are serious about growing them. 1. Collect things. Roll of chicken wire or wire fence 34 feet tall. Leaves or straw-rich composting or potting soil. Seed potatoes. 2. Form the cylinder. Roll your wire into a cylinder approximately 23 feet wide. Secure the corners to help it keep its shape. Position it either on level ground or inside a large tray. 3. Create the foundation. Surround the interior walls with a thick layer of straw to prevent soil from leaking out. 6. 8 inches of dirt must be placed in the middle. 4. Plant the first layer. Organize seed potatoes along the margins, eyes outward. Cover them with more straw and soil. 5. Layering up. Keep adding straw and dirt as the potato plant develops. Keep going until you get to the pinnacle of the tower. 6. Water and wait. Keep the tower wet but never soggy. Depending on the kind, potatoes take different times to grow, usually 80, 120 days. 7. Gathering. Watch your potatoes cascade out when the plants turn yellow and perish. Disconnect the wire. What do you think of this strategy? Does it seem simple or complex? Let me know. Many people believe you need potato rows of garden beds. The surprise is that you may gather a year's worth of potatoes vertically, and it costs little more than a bag of soil. Whether you're a newbie gardener or a seasoned grower, potato tower gardening presents a smart approach to transform any little area into a powerhouse of food production. I would love to hear any secrets you have for how to grow sweet potatoes or how deep to bury potatoes.